Hello students, today I am going to teach you an object, ladies handbag. See, this is the ladies handbag which I am going to teach you today. See the shape of this, okay? And then we have to show the form of this, okay? And then we have to make all parts of this bag, and then the shade of the handle, shade of the purse, okay? All these important things we have to show in our drawing. So let's start, students. Students, after making border, I will draw one line below the eye level, okay? This is eye level at the middle, and this is below the eye level, okay? And here this is above the eye level. This I have described you in perspective drawing, okay? So I will draw my object at the middle of this page, okay, with the help of vertical line. First I will draw here, and same distance, one line I will draw here, and same distance from this side, one line I will draw here, okay? And then one more horizontal line, okay? Students, after making this purse, we will draw our purse here, okay? Same distance we will take from here and same from here. But see, these lines are going perspective, okay? And usually there are two zips in ladies hand purse, so we will divide it into two parts. This part will be bigger than this, okay? And we will take more distance, okay, from this. This is same distance from here, so we will take more, because this place is far from this, okay, this place. So we will make this purse in perspective way, okay? So like this we have to draw, and we will erase extra lines. After making shape of hand purse, we will change it into form of purse, okay, in 3D. So this part is in front of the viewer, so this part is visible, okay? So this angle also visible, okay? Students, after drawing this, we will make some curve here, some curve from here, 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 and here, okay? This will give my purse the perfect shape, okay? And I will erase extra lines. See, this part is still here, so this line is extra. I will erase from here, and this line also, because it is ending here, okay? So now my purse has perfect shape, okay? And this line will help me to make the handle. And see, it is near to the viewer, so it will be big and it will be small than this. And when I will draw the handle, this will also in perspective way. Now my purse have completed, and shadow also I have to show. So the shadow will be students, now I have made shadow of the purse, but this will also be in perspective way. Okay, this will be big and this will be small than this. Okay, we will cut some area from this side. Now this lady's hand purse has completed. You have to make this, and you have seen the stroke of shading. Okay, and this is the pencil shading, and the same strokes you can use for the watercolors also. Okay, when will you do watercolors, that time also you have to see this shading, dark, light. Okay, which part is dark and how to move the brush, same as I have moved this pencil. Okay, curved, we will, because here it is curved. Okay, so we will also do curve shading with the brush also, same from here is straight. Okay, and the inner part we will make dark. Okay, and this border also, thickness of the purse also we will show with the dark outlining. Okay, as I have done here. And the shadow, we have to show shadow of everything. Okay, this purse also, and the handle also. And if we are adding some more objects, then also we have to show their shadow.